recycle an old wish for the new year. As a West Indies cricket fan, I wish we could turn back the hands of time to when West Indies cricket was West Indies cricket, to when the men from the little islands scattered across the Caribbean Sea, a team comprising players from different sovereign territories, yet they so epitomized the spirit of team and unity. These warriors used to fight for the West Indies like they were fighting for their families, as they beat the bigger, richer cricket-playing nations convincingly and routinely. They were dominant with relentless excellence for a glorious decade and a half. West Indian men, women, boys, and girls held their heads high and walked and talked with a swagger because the West Indies cricket team was the best cricket team in the world. Now fast forward to 2025. We are now down to wishing just because we're still alive.